What's going on, all you beautiful droniacs out there? Just doing a post-flight wrap-up here. Had to do the post-flight wrap-up because we came out here during the setting sun. We are out on the St. Louis River. Oh, there's an eagle. Can you see that? That would have been cool to get on. Oh, we're doing a little, trying to get focus, but no, okay. That would have been cool to get a shot of, but anyway. So yeah, we came out here during the setting sun. We're out on one of my favorite places to go is St. Louis River. A couple ducks flying over right there. It's close by the house, and it's really cool to be out here. And all the snow or ice is melting off the water, so but as you can see, the sun is just going down. Quickly had to get the drone flying before the sun went down. There is a lot of life going on right here on the St. Louis River. Just beaver, I did get some shots of that while I was flying around, so that might be kind of cool. See how that turns out. There's a couple seagulls, but man, you can hear the geese. You probably can't hear it on the camera because the road is right behind me, and the geese are kind of getting drowned out by the sound of the cars whizzing by and stuff. But so yeah, I just got the Typhoon H Plus. You saw that in the beginning of the video, sitting over there on the rock right now. Lights are on. Just used up the last of the battery, getting some shots. I think I got some pretty good video. There's, as you can see, there's right up on the top of the hill there, you can see the snow. That's Mont du Lac Ski Resort. To the right over there, there's the river goes around this corner, and you follow it up more and you're into Jay Cook. But anyway, one other thing I want to mention, even though I came out here, checked, make sure all the airspaces are good for me to fly in. There was a dude fishing out here. He just packed up and left. Just came up to him and asked him, like, do you mind if I send up a drone? There's plenty of river for me to go fly on. If he said no, no big deal. He was more than happy to talk to me about drones. He has a drone himself, so he had really no problem for me to fly around here. So that's good. And so that's just one little tip saying, even though you're good to fly somewhere, it doesn't mean you should be flying. And it's a good learning opportunity too for some people that maybe are kind of skittish about drones. Just talk to them about what a drone is and what it can do, what it can't do, what you as a drone operator can do, what you can't do, that kind of good stuff. Yeah, I used about 3 batteries, and I think I should be getting some good video and be editing some of that early this week. Maybe be posting some pictures. So anyway, you know what to do. Do some subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, that kind of good stuff. Give me a big thumbs up. All that YouTube lingo and jargon. So anyway, I will talk at you later. It's been a minute. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.